Hey, it's Mike and I'd like to talk about Canoo Inc. The stock trades on the Nasdaq on symbol GOEV. The stock was down over 8%, down to 1744. However, after hours, it did move up a little bit, up to 1769. Look over the past month, this stock has been sort of moving downward. However, this is because the stock had really surged, moving from $10 all the way up to over $20, then had a big dip. Now it has recovered. The stock is still kind of choppy. However, it is above this 50-day moving average, and I do think this is a stock you may want to take a chance on, even if it does move lower, because over the long run, I think Canoo has the potential to move much higher. The market cap is about $4 billion, so it's a pretty respectable market cap for a startup EV company. If you look at the vehicles that they have this sort of almost minivan looking vehicle. They have both vehicles for regular use and also for business to business use. Here are the vehicle lineup right now. Is the Canoo vehicle, the MPDV. There's more of a commercial vehicle. And then they have this sort of platform, business to business platform. Right now, this is a company that's definitely in startup mode. So you're kind of betting on the prospects that this company is able to roll out a vehicle and grow really quickly. But I think it's definitely worth taking the risk on. I would say, especially on the business to business side, because I do think this is where they're probably going to see more sales. Because when you're trying to sell directly to the consumer, you need to have really good branding. You really need to be out there and get in front of like car reviewers, get a lot of press. And I haven't seen a lot of press for Canoo as far as like their consumer vehicles. However, the business to business vehicle, I could see them getting a lot of business here. And since it's valued really only $4 billion, they really only need to get a couple of contracts to really get this stock moving upward. So I definitely think if you're looking for an EV play to take a chance on, a stock that has a potential to move up exponentially over the next couple of years, you definitely want to check out Canoo, especially now that it's moved down. You could probably get it at a pretty good price now. It may move back even lower. It may, just kind of look at this chart here. It may come back down because it had its surge at 10, went up to 20. I usually like to cut the difference and get in at the halfway point. So maybe if it goes back down to 15, that would be a good entry level. But even now is a pretty good entry level if you're willing to own it for the long term. So definitely check out Canoo. It trades on the Nasdaq on the symbol GOEV. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like and go ahead, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.